here. From here to the river is 200 meters, but we want to go beyond here so that we can connect. This market, Your Excellency, has all the trades, the cereals, the mituba, the small items that are there, they are all provided. We have the Uasin River, and when we are doing this road, we want to package such that we improve on this. Yeah, and when people are on the river, and when people are here, there's a walkway so that you can come enjoy the landscape of the river. His Excellency, the governor, have said that we need to do 8 kilometers, but for us, we are doing about 200 meters of a walkway, but the county would like to do 8 kilometers of a walkway. Yeah. And Your Excellency, we need to connect this market with the other market with a skywalk. So when we do the phase 2, we are going to have a skywalk, so that this market and this market are connected. They will be integrated. So we have the model here, Your Excellency. This is a model for the market. From the higher side to the lower side, we have a difference of 9 meters. So we have taken care of the 9 meters by providing, we are providing the basement, lower ground floor and upper ground floor, and 3 other floors, but as per your advice, we are going to have 2 extra floors on top. So that now it caters more than what we had provided for. Yeah. This road is the one that we are saying that going to go to Pioneer. We do a bridge over there, and we are going to package together with the river so that we improve on it, Your Excellency. Yeah. So we have a model of the 3D. You see how a video for the 3D. So this is the way the market, those are the trees that are there on the Uasin River, but this is the way the market will be on the 3D when it's completed. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Asante sana.
Hatimaye Mheshimiwa Rais anaelekea kwa uzinduzi rasmi wa soko hii, kwa hivyo tampa nafasi. Unveiling of the plaque fanfare. Mheshimiwa Rais,
naomba wananchi tuweze kuondokea lori. Naomba tafadhali tusaidie tusonge kidogo, tusiwe na ajali. Tusonge tu kidogo, tusiwe na ajali tafadhali. Tukiangalia uzinduzi rasmi wa soko hili ukifanywa na Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya mwenyewe, Daktari William Samoei Ruto. Tuondokee lori tafadhali. Na rais akichimbua, tumpongeze kwa makofi. Kusema na kutenda. Na tunaona uzinduzi rasmi ndio huo tayari unatendeka, ukiongozwa na rais mwenyewe. Haya basi tumpongeze. Achimbue mara ya pili. Tujue sio kubahatisha. Haya, tumpongeze rais kwa makofi kwa kazi njema. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais.